Hey there, I'm just going to show you quickly how to make folders with your apps on your phone. All you need to do is say I want to put this Gmail app and this Instagram app into one folder together. I'm going to tap and hold, doesn't matter which one, tap and hold on an app, and then I'm going to pop up this menu, and then you're going to hit Edit Home Screen. Once you hit that, you can see your apps kind of dance around. They all have little X's in the top left corner. Careful not to touch those because that will delete the app. Not the end of the world. You can re-download it from the App Store. But all you're going to do is touch and hold until it kind of zooms in a little bit on the app, and then you can move the app around while you're touching the screen. Keep your finger on the screen, holding it, and then drag it on top of another app. And it'll automatically put them in a folder, which you can now still move these around within the folder. And then you can also change the name. It'll give it a default name based on what apps you're putting together into a folder. But let's just call this one test folder and hit done. And then if we're good with that, we're done. Just tap outside of it. You can see the apps are still jiggling around, so you can drag another one into the folder, or you can now drag the folder itself around and rearrange it. And if you're done with that, you just press the done button in the top corner and the apps stop moving, and now you can use your folder. And again, if you want to move something out of the folder, you just open the folder, tap and hold, edit home screen, grab the app you want to move out, and drag and hold, and then put it back. And that's it.